Alright, your American Public Transportation Association recommended practice that onboard recording equipment of periodic inspection and maintenance. Table of content, introduction, frequency, contents, requirements, specifically task material of the device, tools, safety, personnel, protective equipment, training, requirements, inspection, maintenance, correction of the deficiency, reference, definition, abbreviation, acronyms, and list of figures and tables. Alright, participants, and then introduction. The introduction is not part of the APTAOn RTVIM RP 01503 revision onboard recording equipment periodic inspection maintenance. The document describes the basic inspection maintenance requirements for the solid-state digital audio of the video recording onboard recording system on rail transit vehicle. The APTA recommended the use of the document. Individual organization operate rail transit system. Individual organization contract the other operating rail transit system. Individual organization influence rail transit system are operated but not limited to Constellation Design and contractors. Alright, your onboard equipment and periodic inspection maintenance. The frequency of the conduct, maintenance for the task for the data, audio, video recording equipment should be before regular schedule. Ensure proper operation for the equipment. The section listed in the table of one provide the detailed procedure for the identified task. Frequency inspection maintenance of the task shall be complied with the applicable federal, state, and local regulations. Further, in conduct of the rail transit system periodic inspection maintenance program, frequency individual should be established for the number of additional factors, but not including, but not limited to original equipment manufacturer recommended intervals, industry experience, the operating environmental conditions, historical data, performance requirements, failure analysis. Rail transit system testing experience, rail center, reliability center maintenance programs. Two requirement specific tasks. Material. The following materials are normally required by the onboard recording system inspection maintenance. Portable test unit capable of downloading playback capability, interpreting data vehicle, the data recording system. Reference original equipment manufacturer maintenance manual with additional materials. 2. The devices tools. The following tools are normally required onboard required equipment inspection maintenance with the standard tools carried with the maintenance personnel. Portable test units specified with the original equipment manufacturer. 3. Safety personnel protective equipment. Appropriate personnel protective equipment that meets the minimum ANSI standard that is required with the rail transit system should be worn at all times. Performance of the inspection maintenance task. 4. Training requirements of the rail transit for the maintenance contact with the show develop execute training program that provide employee with the knowledge of skill necessary to safely effectively perform the task outlined and recommended practice. 5. Year inspection maintenance with the vehicle data recording system periodic maintenance with where applicable. Verify that the current wheels side of the MC setting input with the recording system and the accurate. Verify that the recording time and the information is correct with the calibrate with the required according with the rail transit system procedure. Download all recorded data with the VDRS or valid vehicle data recording system using equipment and software to provide with the reorder with the original equipment manufacturer file with the prescribed signs indicated by the original required recorder original equipment manufacturer. Review the data. Downloaded data, verify that all the required parameters are being recorded within prescribed with the tolerances. If some of the parameters would normally be recorded due to the rarity of the occurrence that they reasonably attempt that should be made with the trigger of the parameter vehicle before data is downloaded. If any of the devices are not recording properly, repair in place as required in accordance with the rail transit system procedure. Note, many standalone data recorders currently in production with equipped with self-test failure but verify with the data being recorded unit exact. They presume that the recorder feature can help determine the irregularities of data during the being caused by the recorder itself with a self-test feature with indicating the failure or by sensor wiring systems feeding the information recorder no failure to indicate the self-test failure. Alright, 252 solid state vehicle video recording system periodic maintenance. To review the current recorded time data, calibrated recorders that reflect the current time and date. This to download all recorded data of the vehicle video recording system provided with the recorded or of the original equipment manufacturer following the prescribed steps dedicated to the recorder equipment original equipment manufacturer. For player most recent download video, verify the video is being recorded as designed, repaired, necessary, replace malfunction components. 253 solid state vehicle cab voice recording system periodic maintenance. Review of the cab recorder with the recalibrate the recorded reflect with the correct time and date. Download all recorded vehicle cab voice recording system using equipment software provided by the recorder original equipment manufacturer found with the prescribed steps dedicated with the original equipment manufacturer. Review the most recent downloaded audio and verify the audio is being recorded as designed, repaired, necessary, replace malfunction components. 254 general onboard recording system inspection. Inspect all cameras, camera housing, recording system Station's condition would prevent the intended operation of the core, clean the camera lens, replace missing, damaged equipment, hardware, tightening and loosening hardware. 2.6. Correct deficiencies. Any deficiency during the inspection, section 25326 shall be correctly documented in accordance with rail transit system operating procedures, original equipment manufacturer recommendations, reference definitions, abbreviations, summary of documentation. This was onboard recording equipment for periodic inspection and maintenance.